Hi everyone, are you ready to tackle those home renovation projects without the usual messy hassle? Today we are checking out the best electric paint sprayer for house to make your DIY dreams come true. Welcome back to Cool Product, where we showcase the greatest tools around. Let's get started. Now let us take a closer look at the fantastic Nubini electric paint sprayer for house. This amazing device is expertly designed to completely simplify your various painting projects while delivering truly professional results. Whether you are a beginner or a DIY fan, this sprayer will transform the way you work. The Nubini electric paint sprayer for house features a highly advanced cooling system. It cleverly utilizes both a dedicated air inlet and efficient heat dissipation channels. These two elements work perfectly together to prevent overheating. This smart engineering keeps the motor running smoothly and significantly prolongs the overall lifespan of the machine. When it comes to operation, this tool is incredibly user-friendly. The sprayer is equipped with a simple one-key switch, making the entire operation much safer and far more convenient. Alongside that, it boasts a wonderful ergonomic design. The handle is shaped perfectly to ensure comfortable handling, even during extended painting sessions. Another brilliant feature of the Nubini electric paint sprayer is the fully adjustable nozzle knob. This allows users to easily and accurately control the actual flow of the paint. By giving you this precise control, it ensures an accurate application and highly efficient use of your materials, so you never waste expensive paint. To give you maximum flexibility, the sprayer offers 3 highly versatile spray patterns. You can easily switch between a round pattern, a vertical pattern, and a horizontal pattern. This enables perfectly tailored coverage for all kinds of different surfaces and specific painting requirements. The true versatility of the Nubini electric paint sprayer makes it ideal for a wide range of household projects, from painting interior doors, large windows, and living room walls, to covering outdoor fences, high ceilings, and wooden floors. This tool handles multiple surfaces with total ease. It is also suitable for detailing smaller items like kitchen cabinets, old furniture, and various other home objects. By combining user-friendly controls, adaptable spray settings, and broad functionality, this tool provides an extremely efficient solution. It helps you achieve wonderfully smooth and perfectly even paint coverage on any indoor or outdoor project. Its thoughtful design strongly focuses on high durability, everyday convenience, and ultimate precision, ensuring consistent results while minimizing your physical effort. The Nubini electric paint sprayer truly stands out as a reliable choice for anyone looking to streamline their painting tasks. So do not let another weekend project intimidate you. Check the price link in the description to grab yours today. Like and subscribe to Cool Product for more amazing home improvement guides. Thank you for watching and happy painting.